Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to talk to you about passive or active income. What are they? You see, passive income is a sort of income that you don't have to be present. You don't have to be actively involved for you to make money. An active income, on the other side, is the type of income that requires you to be actively present for you to make money out of it. So what is the difference? One requires you to be physically present and the other one doesn't require you to be present. Someone can be there on your behalf. So what we are saying is, in passive income, you are trading your money for time. Okay, you can buy time from someone. And in active income, you are trading time for money. Okay, you are actively trading your time for money. Understand the difference. One is trading your money for time and the other one is trading time for money. So which one do you want? I always get inspired when I look at a quote by Warren Buffett when he said that if you've not found a way to make money while you sleep, you will be working till you die. What is he trying to say? Just trying to bring in the ideology of active and passive income. One requires upfront work and energy. That is passive income. It requires you to do a lot of investment, to do a lot of thinking upfront. But once everything is done, you can relax. But active income doesn't require you to do anything upfront. Just apply yourself and work and then you get paid. Because common sense will tell you that when you look at the rich people around you, they don't appear to be busy. They don't even appear to have enough strength to make as much money as you find in their bank account. You will see one person owning $1 million. And if you look at him, he doesn't look busy. He wakes up when he wants and he does the things he likes. How comes? What he does is he identifies passive ways of income and he invests in those ways. Because ordinarily, for someone to have gathered $1 million in one lifetime, common sense cannot comprehend it. If you want to work physically for $1 million, it means like you have to live your life completely for 60 years, die and come back and work again for another 60 years, die and come back and work again ordinarily for another 60 years. You die consistently for like 100 times. But then one person gathers that amount in one lifetime. That is amazing. But that's the power of passive income. You invest in other people's time. You buy other people's time because you don't have that much time. Because time is the only currency that you spend once in your lifetime. And for someone who has 60 years, just imagine gathering this much money. But then let me give you another scenario that can explain the power of passive and active income, and then how time is crucial to you becoming wealthy. Now we all have 24 hours. Yes, we have 24 hours. Each and every one of us have 24 hours. No one gets more, no one gets less. But how do we utilize it? That one person would acquire $1 million and you are still struggling, doing 2, 3, 4, 5 jobs and still struggles. You see, medically, when you ask a medical doctor how many hours is required of me to sleep to be healthy, he will tell you you are to sleep at least 8 hours. 8 good hours a day. And we all have 24 hours. And you spend 8 hours sleeping. Some can spend more than 8 hours and some can spend less. But average is 8 hours. And 8 is 1/3 of 24. Okay? So for someone who lived for 60 years, he has spent 20 years sleeping, blank, nothing. You just sleep for 20 years. Okay? He analyzed the remaining 40 years. You are either maybe you're scrolling through your phones, you are discussing with your friends, you're on your way to see your girlfriend, or you are doing something generally not productive. You blow another 8 hours. And so productively, what you are left with is less than 8 hours to do your stuff. And how can you gather this much money in 8 hours or in less than 8 hours? So the answer is passive income. You have to try to create multiple streams of passive income, not 1, not 2, not 3, in such a way that you will obey Warren Buffett's quote that You have to find a way to make money while you sleep. That is the very basic difference between an active and passive income. So don't quit your active means of getting your livelihood. Instead, have a conscious way of diverting your active income to create passive income. Okay? Try to see how you can bring in ideas that are passive, that don't require you to be present, but then they consistently generate money. By that, you will find more time, you will live more peaceful life, and you will even have many more time to do the things that you love doing. That's what I understand as the basic difference between the rich man and the poor man. The rich man invests in passive income, and the poor man tries to put himself in active means of income. And he struggles for life, while the passive guy made money from his sleeping bed. Okay? He sleeps and he makes money, while the active guy keeps working and he gets nothing. So understand the difference and try to see how you can invest in passive income. I hope you have learned something today, ladies and gentlemen. If you do, kindly please remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay connected to this channel for more videos like this. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.